Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to the very first episode of Fix It. My name is Etienne Greef, and on this channel we will be doing small DIY jobs in and around my house. So let's roll that intro and then let's get to the topic for today. So guys, today we will be removing some rust from some old bar stools that I got with my house when I bought it. I found an amazing product at my local hardware store. It is called the Polycell End Rust Converter. It's pretty affordable. You get quite a lot. You don't need a lot for the job that we are going to do today. So let's quickly run a short little video to show you exactly what you will need to take on this job. Stay tuned. Okay guys, so what you will need for this job today is an old rag, one that you won't use again because they do get quite dirty, a high quality steel wool because you do rub it quite hard, a spray water bottle, or you can just use a glass of water, your end rust converter or any other rust remover that you prefer, as well as some tissue paper. I'm using toilet paper, and then obviously some rust to remove. Let's go. Okay guys, so here we have all our necessities as well as our chair that we're going to do. Make sure to cover up your hands with a glove or any type of other glove, because these stuff do quite get into your nails and you struggle to get them off. So what we are going to do now, first we are going to apply our solution. What I do is I just wet the chair a little bit just to make the solution work a little bit better, just to make it a little bit more scrubbable, if that is a word. And yeah, otherwise it's a very dry job and it struggles to move. So what we are going to do now, we're going to apply our solution with the steel wool. Maybe just turn that out of the way right there. So what I do is I dip my steel wool in the solution and then I start applying it to the parts that I want to do, and then you just start scrubbing it. So guys, let's get this chair clean. Okay guys, so that is it. We gave that chair a good scrub. Most of the rust got off. Guys, always make sure that you cover your working area, as I made a massive mess on my garage floor. Better get that cleaned up before the missy sees it. So guys, always also make sure that there's no holes in your gloves, as my hands got pretty dirty, so I'm going to take another week to get my nails clean. Thank you so much for watching guys. I will share a before and after video right after this. Bear in mind guys, this channel was not sponsored by any of the products used. This is based on personal opinion alone. Thank you so much for watching. Please click the like, share and subscribe button. Also click the notification bell for future videos. I might do a new video next week on how to make a gardening border. We are in winter time right now, so if the weather allows that, I will shoot that for you during the time of this week. Thank you so much guys, and always remember, be kind to one another and do it yourself. Have a great week guys.